Google Flow and Veo are often mentioned together, but they are actually two different things. So, which one should you use for AI video generation? Let's break it down. Intro. First, the key difference. Veo is Google's AI video generation model, while Flow is the creative studio built around Google's AI models. Flow currently includes Veo 3.1 along with other Google models and tools for creating, editing, and managing video projects. Veo 3 Video Quality. Veo is focused on generating high quality AI video from prompts and reference images. Its biggest strengths are realism, physics, prompt adherence, and native audio. This makes it especially useful for cinematic shots, realistic environments, dialogue, and videos where sound is important. So, if your main priority is the quality of the generated video itself, Veo is the technology doing the heavy lifting. Google Flow features. Flow goes beyond simply generating individual clips. It gives you a more complete creative workflow, including text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video, video extension, scene building, characters, and natural language editing. You can also combine different Google models inside the same creative environment, making Flow more useful for building an entire project rather than just generating one clip. Quality and performance. In terms of raw video quality, there is no real winner because Flow can use Veo. The difference is workflow. Veo is the model, Flow is the workspace. If you just want powerful AI generated video, Veo is what matters. If you want to create multiple scenes, refine assets, extend videos, and manage a larger project, Flow is much more practical. Verdict. So, which should you choose? Choose Veo if you are primarily interested in AI video generation and visual quality. Choose Google Flow if you want an all-in-one AI filmmaking environment with more creative controls and editing tools. And the best part is, you do not really have to choose. Flow gives you access to Veo as part of the workflow. If this comparison helped, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick AI tool comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching and goodbye.